Hey theme lovers, welcome back to the channel with 7 brand new HyperOS themes that will transform your Xiaomi into a next level experience. And if you want to try something new, then you will definitely love this customization. So without any further delay, let's get started. Friends, as usual, let's start with the lock screen. And for that we will use the theme White Serenity as the lock style. Then when we go to our lock screen, we will get something like this. Well, if you want to customize this lock screen further, you can do that as well, such as the clock widget style and color, calendar, wallpaper effects like depth effects and 3D effect, and even the clock liquid glass effect. And finally these shortcuts. Now let's head towards the home screen, where first we will talk about the clock widgets. For this setup we have two clock widgets. The first one is a white gradient centered clock widget at the top, which shows time, day and date information. To apply this widget, go to your theme store. Then select the theme White Serenity and apply it as the home screen. Now the second clock widget is also a centered clock, but it is slightly bolder than the first one. To apply this widget, go to the widget section. Then anode widgets. Scroll down to the bottom and select this 4x2 widget. Now coming to the icons, and for this we have three themes. The first one is for those users who want simple icons with a slightly colorful minimalist effect. To apply these icons, use the theme Erva as icons. The next icon pack is also simple, which is a mix of stock and iOS style icons. To apply these icons, use the theme OS Set Cell as icons. Now the third theme is for those users who are looking for HyperOS 3 stock dark icons for their setup. To apply these icons, use the theme Hyper Dark OS 3 as icons. By the way, using these dark icons, we have already created a premium HyperOS 3 dark setup, which link is available in the card above. Do check it out. Now let's talk about the next element, which is the control center. And for this we have two themes. The first control center features a liquid glass effect with colorful icons, and the interesting thing is that we also get two additional toggles at the top, as you can see on the screen. To apply this control center, first go to Customize Theme, then Status Bar, and apply the theme Dark HOS 3. After that, apply the theme Original-3 as the icons, and then restart your phone once. After that, again go to icons and apply the icon themes. Now if you are using a dark setup, then this control center is a must try, and believe me, it looks amazing with a dark theme setup. To apply this control center, simply apply the theme Black 3 as system. And with this control center, we have covered today's top 7 HyperOS themes that you must try on your Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco device. I hope you like this HyperOS 3 customization. If yes, do like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing HyperOS 3 themes. See you in the next video. Till then, keep customizing.